Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you.
Aha! A sucker! Come in, come in. How are you today, my little man? A low type of moron, isn't he? I presume you want a loan.
Shoot the dough to me, Joe.
Very well. Sign here.
Here's your money.
Oh, boy. Money.
Remember, if this isn't paid in 30 days, I take your car.
That's funny. I thought I heard someone knock. I must be hearing things.
I guess there's nobody home.
Bet you didn't know it was me, did you?
This'll get that little red-headed woodpecker.
Why the whistle, Sizzle?
Birthday present for Woody Woodpecker!
Oh, boy. A birthday cake.
Oh!
Oh, boy. I don't like cheesecake.
Do I get my money, or do I take it out of your hide?
Let's not get nosy, bud. Oh! You broke my little head! You broke my little head! Oh! You cracked my little skull!
Come. I was only fooling. What have I done? What have I done? I'll forget about the loan. Look, I'll tear it up. Just speak to me. Speak to me. Mammy.
How about a loan on the clock?